Welcome to Newcom Video Tutorials. Today we will go over the Yealink T54W IP phone manual. We will be checking some of the device features and some other commonly used functionalities you can use on your phone. When you first set up your phone, take a few minutes to get familiar with the hardware and button locations. On the left is your handset. On the right, you have your display screen and your keypad. Next to the keypad, you will see some additional buttons for quick access to different features of the device, such as your navigational arrow keys, headset and speakerphone buttons and physical mute, hold, transfer, redial, and voicemail buttons. At the bottom of the device, there is a physical volume control button. Using this button while the device is idle will adjust the ring volume. Using this button while on a call will adjust the volume for the medium you are using: handset, headset, or speakerphone. The display screen is your main source of information from the device. When the display is idle, you will see the time and date, your line key and soft key options, as well as feature notifications like voicemail, DND, or Do Not Disturb, and more. Buttons to the left and the right of your screen are the line keys. These keys can be configured to add additional lines to use with your main extension, assign bussy line field or remote line keys or other extensions, and even allow you to assign login and logout buttons for hunt groups. The buttons below the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. When idle, you have direct access to functions like call history or toggle and do not disturb, DND function, and also the menu key. While it's generally recommended to connect VoIP devices directly to the network using an internet cable, the T5 series phones have a built-in Wi-Fi adapter that can easily connect to your wireless network. You can access the Wi-Fi settings by pressing the menu soft key, then navigating to Basic and then Wi-Fi. First, turn on the Wi-Fi adapter to access the additional options. Once the adapter is on, the phone will immediately search for local wireless networks and display them in the Available Networks field below. Simply select your wireless network, enter the network password, and then press the Connect soft key. When the phone successfully connects to the wireless network, you will see a connected status on the settings menu. Back on the idle screen, you will also now see the Wi-Fi signal indicator at the top of the display. If you have a Bluetooth headset or a speaker device, you can easily pair the device to your Yealink phone using the built-in Bluetooth adapter. Press the menu soft key, navigate to Basic, and then Bluetooth. By default, the Bluetooth adapter is already enabled and ready to connect to the Bluetooth device. Press the Scan soft key to search any local Bluetooth devices to pair. Once the device is displayed, just select the device and press the Connect soft key. After a few seconds, the device will pair with your phone and a confirmation will be displayed next to the device listed. On the idle screen, you will see now the Bluetooth icon in its active status. To dial an outbound call, enter a phone number from the dial pad, pick up the handset or press the headset button or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call info such as the dialed number and call duration will be visible on your screen, and you will have access to additional soft key options while on the active call. While on a call, you can simply press the second line key to automatically place the current call on hold and provide a dial tone to dial in a new number. To answer an incoming call, simply pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call info such as the caller ID and call duration will be visible on the screen, as well as additional soft key options for your active call. To answer a call waiting, simply press the blinking line key. This will automatically place the first caller on hold and answer the new call. You can return to the first caller by pressing the originating line key. While on a call, you can place the caller on hold by pressing the hold button or the hold soft key. The call will immediately be placed on hold and will show hold on the display screen, as well as the caller ID, phone number, and hold duration. To pick the call back up, just press the line key where the caller is being held, indicated by the blinking LED, or press the resume soft key on the screen. The warm or attended transfer allows you to consult with the party to which you want to send the call to before completing the transfer. On the bottom of the screen, press the Transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you want to transfer to and wait for the party to answer the call. After you consult, you can press the transfer key again or simply hang up the call and then complete the transfer. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer the call to another number or extension. On the bottom of the screen, press the Transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you want to transfer to and press the B transfer key. The call will immediately start ringing on the second party. To create a conference call while on an active call, press the Conference soft key. The initial caller will be placed on hold. Dial the new number or extension and wait for the new party to answer the call. Finally, press the Conference button again to merge the two calls. You can use the additional soft key options to manage the conference call. Press the Hold soft key to put the conference call on hold. Press the Manage soft key to mute or disconnect parties individually. Press the Split soft key to split the callers from the conference and place both callers on separate holds. You can end the conference call by pressing the End Call soft key. The History soft key allows you to navigate your phone's call log. You can use the arrow keys to navigate between the missed, placed, received, and forwarded calls. You can redial any number from the list by using the arrow keys to select the call and press the Send soft key. You can also add a history call as a contact. Select the call with the arrow keys and select the Options soft key. Select Add to Contact and press the OK soft key. Add the name and any additional numbers and press the Save soft key. To access the directory, press the Directory soft key from the idle screen, press the Enter soft key. On all contacts, you will see the entry list on your directory. You can select the entry and press the Send button to dial out to the contact. You can also press the Add button and add additional contacts directly to the list. To turn on Do Not Disturb and send callers directly to the voicemail, press the DND soft key on the idle display screen. The Do Not Disturb icon will appear on the top of the screen. Press the button again to turn off Do Not Disturb. You can set call forwarding from your device at any time. Select the menu soft key, then navigate to Features, and then Call Forward. If you have a remote key enabled for another extension, you will have two individual forward settings for both lines. Select the line you wish to add it. You have three forwarding options. Always. Forward will immediately forward all calls received into this extension to the number you entered. Busy. Forward will forward any calls that you reject to the number you entered. By default, this is set to your extension number, so it forwards the callers to your voicemail. No Answer Forward will forward any calls you missed while idle or on a call to the number you entered after you specified ring time. By default, this is set to your extension, so it forwards the caller to your voicemail. When a caller leaves a voicemail, you will receive a notification advising you have new messages received. To check your voicemail, pick up the handset, press the headset button or press the speakerphone button, then press the voicemail button. Enter your PIN to access your voicemail box, where you can listen to your voicemail messages or add in your outgoing greetings from the automated voice menu.